go. It's a Dallas performance.
Oh, okay. That worked.
Did it come off automatically?
Yeah.
I did that yesterday because I forgot that it was on.
I don't like the digital or the electronic e-brake.
Yeah, I don't like it either. I caught myself. I was like, oh shit, that's still on, so I flipped it. So it didn't release itself. Couldn't remember if it did that or not.
And the AC controls piss me the fuck off because like there's.
Oh, that's annoying. You got to use the screen.
Yes.
So basically, we hate this car. Nah, it's actually pretty cool.
Lots of weird shit.
It's just got too much technology but I guess, are all of them like this? Even the base?
I believe the base has the same electronics except for the HUD.
But that's what you were talking about, hating the freaking fuel thing?
Yeah, it's fucking stupid. You gotta turn on the fogs, man.
Oh yeah, I had to do that yesterday for the photos.
Yeah.
Alright, we took a really long trip to Dallas Performance.
So that we can have video tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's a hub dyno, right?
No, it's
Oh, I think round?
Yeah, so that's why it's full. You literally have to reverse it and we can strap it down the opposite direction of what we normally do.
Yeah.
So I just gotta figure out how to make the dyno spin backwards.
Okay. Yeah, just let me know.
Alright, sure, I'll give you a call. Thanks.
Oh. Alright, so they couldn't dyno us yet. They're gonna give us a call.
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
We might dyno it today, we might not.
This
is where I stalled yesterday. I tried to turn in here this way and there's a truck coming. There's a lady coming behind me and I didn't shift from second to first because I'm, an amateur. Rookie mistake.
That's how it goes. I can't work any of this shit. And what is a climber? What happens if you push it? Oh, okay.
What is a climber?
I'm a climber. Hearing, oh, you can go to like a Sport Plus. What does that do?
Everything's still like comfort.
Oh, that's
DCC. Yeah, okay.
Sport. Engine sound.
Sport.
I guess.
Yeah, it's that sound actor stuff.
Yeah. I didn't think they had it in this.
It does.
Light assist, ACC, comfort. Oh, climate control. Yeah, whatever. Okay.
Florid.
I don't think it's gonna change anything.
It probably doesn't. I feel like that stuff's kind of gimmicky.
It is.
Aside from like adjustable suspension stuff.
Well, the damn thing actually works on the DCC cars for sure, but it's still like it feels marginal to me when you go from comfort to sport.
Here, do that again.
Did you tune it or some shit? We won.
What?
What do you MQB owners want? We want pops and
They leave
bangs.
for
Give
20
us pops
fucking
and
minutes,
bangs.
come back with pops and bangs.
Like, how does this work?
We didn't even get on a dyno.
Amazing. Fucking Lambo.
So, cup holder's crap. How do you get it back though? That's the question. How's it go back? I don't know how it goes back. Oh. Okay. Rotatey. So, crappy cup holder, good cup holder, and then the best part is for the smokers out there, the vape sits perfectly, doesn't fall over. It's literally, this is game changing right here. Perfect balance of what I need in my life. Because in the Touareg, it sits over on the fucking passenger seat, flies around everywhere. You got one hand?
Yeah, I got one hand. Let's do this.
I got one hand too.
8,000 pounds.
That's gotta go there.
Yeah. Snap.
Hey, you should just fucking hood from now on and work out legs.
Yeah. All right, so we made a call. We're going to what, Joe Tech?
Joe Tech. Hit up Kenny over there and they're gonna hook us up and get us fixed up.
So in the comments now, post your guesses on how much this thing will actually like dyno at.
176.
176 wheel horsepower is our guess.
How do you turn this off? Bro, it's so fucking stupid. I just need like a... Give
us a knob,
man.
All right, so we're going to Joe Tech and explain what Joe Tech is because they do pretty cool stuff.
Yeah, so Kenny's been around for a long time and they started on like Hondas and stuff way back in the day. Actually, my first car that was any sort of cool car that you'd want to have was a Honda Prelude that was tuned by Joe Tag. So yeah, that's where they started, and they moved on to you know, much like Tony Paulo and all those guys, they moved on to GTRs, and now they're into, I think, a lot of C8 Vets and stuff. So we'll probably see
McLarens.
Yeah, so we'll probably see a lot of cool stuff up there once we get there. But yeah, so we're gonna go dyno the Mark 8 and see what it actually puts down.
Okay, so from Focus, dang it. 241 horsepower is what it says. So we're gonna see.
241 crank is
Yeah.
what Volkswagen says. Okay.
So we'll see. You know, we all know how Volkswagen is with their numbers. Yeah. You got some alright stuff out there. Look at that. Yeah. Nice. Nice.
I guess we'll
Oh yeah. I've been saying a lot of. All right.
This place is nuts. Super cool.
I think we're gonna be pleasantly surprised.
I think so too. I think it'll be more
I
than
think Volkswagen's gonna do their typical thing where they put, what was it,
246 or something like
horsepower
41.
crank? Yeah, they'll probably say that's probably rated low. I bet it'll probably make that at the wheels, if not more.
Yeah.
Where do you break? I don't know what you want. You were there on it. You let it settle?
Four-door to get like the differences, like just to experience everything.
What do you say?
Car's upsetty spaghetti.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay, we had to find a hack because the car still doesn't like it and it keeps trying to shut down and like does some weird stuff. But maybe that works. We'll see. So what did you do?
I did the procedure for the Mark 7R.
But what is it?
So the procedure is that you turn the ignition on, and then the car's off, but you can just turn the car on. But as long as you leave the hazards on, you should be golden. That's what it says. And it flashed on there that everything was off. It flashed on there that everything was off, so I'm not sure. Yeah, I guess I'll try it again. So, basically to recap, we followed the same procedures that the 7R uses. So you essentially just turn the car on with the ignition, or just turn the ignition on with the car off, wait for it to check out all the systems, press the hazards, and then pump the throttle 5 times, and you're good to go. So we'll see.
So using this on a link dyno can cause the rear differential to come back on. But it's not an R, so it shouldn't. But I mean, I guess if it senses the rear wheels turning, then I'm not paying you for the work of, you know, linking and unlinking and linking and unlinking. You know what I mean?
Money. sounds really good.
$3 pulls for $1. Oh man.
Yeah, there's no screen.
So low in horsepower that the TV is off.
It didn't even read.
They don't want to see this.
Y'all don't want to know, guys.
No.
I missed it. I wasn't even recording.
Fucking dot.
No way.
That's dope.
That's the crank number.
Sick. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but that's the crank number from Volkswagen. It's 245.
Well, so now we know, got to think wheel drive. It gave me 2 runs, and after the second run, it kicked it back on.
Really?
So I had to turn it off and do it all over again.
So weird.
Yeah.
But at least it goes.
Yeah,
So now we know
you
for
can do
next
it.
time, and if anybody else comes in with one, you know. Cool. All right.
Well,
Not bad.
pay the man up front. Do we get like a slip?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Look, they gave us our participation award laminated.
What is it? Okay, let me see. Focus.
245.
And 280. Wait, what is it? 287 foot-pounds of torque. That's pretty quick.
Yeah, it's pretty quick. Alright, we're all paid up, got our laminated copy.
I do not like the backup camera on that.
It's so wide. Yeah.
Silly.
I was looking, I was like, oh, I thought I was going to hit the car. And I'm like, look, oh, wait.
Like 8 feet. Yeah.
Later, man. Appreciate it.
Oh! It's our little trophy. You done good, little guy. Got a bunch of dash lights now, and we don't know how to fix it. Oh, it's because the hood was up, probably.
Yeah, but it's not anymore. Travel assist is not currently available. I think he turned it off. Problem is, I don't know how to turn it on. Goodbye.
Hello?
Guess we'll have to figure it out at the shop.
Yeah, I guess.
I don't understand. I need fucking AC.
Wait, they went off.
Did it? Whoa. Ah! Fucking over it.
Hate this car.
It's all the shit. You know, you dumbass. Give me. Whoa, bitch. Give me fucking auto. Fuck it. Give it to me. Jesus Christ. Bullshit. Bro, it warns me all the time on what I can do to drive the car more economical. It's a GTI.
It's not an economy car.
I don't want to get good gas mileage. I want it to be peppy. Peppy. Be peppy.
Desire. Euphoria.
I desire knobs. How about that?
I hate that they named it. They could have done other shit besides like spend time naming the colors.
Euphoria. Vitality. I like it. It's like a commercial. Infinity. Look, it's gonna yell at me again. Here comes the eco tip. Maybe. Ah, I knew it. Fuck you, motherfucker. I'll do what I want. You go to the sound and you can adjust the hertz. And no one knows what any of those are, by the way, that drives these, like regular ass cars, like Harman Kardon. Like,
They're like,
Harman Kardon, please do me a favor. Give me automatic shit that I can just be like, I want fucking super bass. Or I want...
it's funny though, because like, I mean, yeah, nobody knows what that means unless you do sound. Like, I know what it means. Wait, what does this do? Oh.
You reset it, you fuck! Oh my god, you don't want that fucking tongue. You son of a bitch! Oh my god. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. It's like somebody moved my seat in the S2000. It's gonna take me an hour and a half to get that shit back. You understand? Does this actually work while you're going?
Oh shit.
Alright.
What's your guess? What's your guess?
I already told him in the group chat what
Damn
it
it.
was.
I didn't see it. Rohan told me,
Damn
Mike. But Rohan had guessed.
Oh, yeah.
I got it here. Let's
Whatever Volkswagen staged for the Mark 7s.
228
GTI
wheel was Rohan, and 230 wheel
was mine.
was Anel.
I'm surprised it made exactly what it's supposed to make crank.
I thought it was the
Wheel?
Yeah.
You have a good nap?
No, I was working.
Oh, you were like rubbing like a little
240.
I had 245.
Oh, 240.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it made a lot of torque.
Yeah, it made almost 300 foot-pounds of torque.
Dude, that did more than what I thought.
Yeah, me
It
too.
says 241 factory.
Yeah, 241
And that's to the
factory.
crank.
That's to the yeah, I know. Volkswagen, you sneaky, sneaky little girl. 245 wheel horsepower and 287 foot-pounds of torque. That was our numbers.
287?
287 foot-pounds of torque.
Jesus.
Factory. On rotiforms, on some heavy wheels. And kind of impressed. I mean, that's, and the torque curve is like, it doesn't taper off or anything. It's pretty cool. So, pretty impressive. Guess we got to see what it does in the future.
I can't wait.
I know. Me either. All right. That's it for this video. Later, dudes.
Peace.